So, I've just got my new bike from Rysel. Hello good people, welcome back to the channel. On this beautiful rainy day, I'm saying hello from Maconville, France, and I'm going to pick up my new bike from the store. Yes, I have bought it from the store Decathlon, and today I'm so glad I'm going to pick it up and start my adventure of bike packing. I've said in my previous videos that I want to start a bike packing adventure, but I didn't have the right bike. What I want to do, I'd like to tour Europe with a bike because I'm somebody who really love adventure. So to prepare myself, I go to work every single day with my bike. I have a Rock Rider. This is my old bike. It's a Rock Rider. So I'm just going to keep it and use it to go to work. But I have been saving some money to buy a gravel. And guess what? I'm here in front of Decathlon. Decathlon, which is one of the famous stores for, buying bikes and stuffs like that. Here we go. Okay guys, my new bike is here. Look at it. It's a Van Rysel gravel. Wow, I like it. We can start serious things. Serious things can start from today. So I have bought some couple of equipment. It's an S because I'm not that long, so I cannot wait to start riding it. Okay, so I'm here at Decathlon and I'm gonna try it and see if it's worth it or not. I think I love it already. The design is awesome. Look, it's far from being my dream bike, but I love it. For a beginner like me, I really love it. This is my first gravel, so I cannot wait to see how far can I go with it. I think, what is this? I think I'm gonna start long trip from next week, starting from Macon and reach Lyon. From Macon to Lyon, I think it's 100 kilometers. And then I'm planning to go to Geneva, which is my biggest dream. I want to do Macon, France to Geneva, Switzerland with my bike. That's why I have bought this gravel, because with the kind of bike I had, Rock Rider, I couldn't do the trip with it. But this bike, this gravel is made for, that kind of adventure. Actually, I'm planning to tour the European Union with my bike. That's why I have been saving money to buy this one. My wife said I'm crazy because it's 1,000 euros. This bike cost 1,000 euros. And for somebody who is familiar with bikes, it's not expensive. There are some bikes that can cost something like 5,000 euros. So paying 1,000 euros for a bike, it's nothing. So my dream bike, it's gonna cost a lot of money, something like 5,000 euros, and planning to have it one day. I will need to save a lot of money to buy that. But for now, let's just start with this gravel, Van Rysel, and see how far can I go with it. So now, let's start serious things. Let's ride and see what it will give. I've got mixed feelings about it so far. First of all, the saddle. It's really not comfortable. Definitely something I might need to change. But on the positive side, I like the fact that it comes with all these mounting points for bike packing. I don't know if you can see very well. There are different mounting points for bike packing. You see, here we have these 3 mounting points again. It's super easy to add accessories and get ready for longer adventure. Overall, I'm still testing it out, but I cannot wait to see where this bike takes me. So far so good. It's a beautiful rainy day. I'm just going back home because I will get ready to go to work at night. Okay, make sure you subscribe for more adventures on my gravel in France and beyond. Goodbye.